us. He is back. Because earlier also during the lockdown, like the peak lockdown, we did a session with him, and it was a very successful one. Uh, so founder of Access for All, Siddhant Shah, is here today to discuss, how the art can be very therapeutic way to relieve stress. And during all this lockdown, we all have have been facing anxiety, gussa aane lagta hai kai bari. We feel that there is something. So this is the right way to channel your energies. And here we have Siddhant, who is going to help us, uh, deal with the stress. I'm giving the stage to him. He also have a booth, so there's a lot of chit chat which you can do with him even after the session. So yeah. ओके,
Shall I
थोड़ा सा मैं
start?
आपको लोगों को वार्निंग दे देती हूँ कि सिद्धांत बॉम्बे में है और वहां बहुत तेज बरसात हो रही है। तो कभी कभी हो सकता है कि सिद्धांत गायब हो जाए। तो आई एम देयर, सो डोंट वरी, वी ही विल बी बैक सून, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है बरसात के कारण बॉम्बे में। बट राइट नाउ वी कैन सी हिम एंड आई एम हैंडिंग ओवर द स्टेज टू हिम। सेशन इज ऑल योर्स।
Thank you. Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm just going to give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So as Payal said, I run an organization called Access for All, and we have been working in the space of wellness. We've been working in the space of inclusion. और आज का जो समय है, अभी का जो टाइम है, it is more about where we feel a lot of anxiety. We don't know what is happening. Every single day, a new thing comes out, and the schedules go for a toss. We are working from home, but still, then we are working in bed. That one level of sincerity, formality जो था काम करने जाने के लिए, वो पूरा routine change हो गया. So I will be switching between English and Hindi so that it becomes more inclusive and accessible. As an idea, On Art Fair aims to be as inclusive and accessible to various groups of people. What we are going to learn today is to understand that how art can be used as a therapy to be mindful. आपके साइड में एक डिस्कशन बॉक्स होगा. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दैट यू कैन ड्रॉप इन योर क्वेश्चंस. आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है, आपको कुछ भी पूछना है, बेझिझक आप उससे पूछ सकते हो. बट मैं बीच बीच में उसे लिया करूंगा, मैं बीच बीच में आपको उसके आंसर्स दिया करूंगा. आई विल नॉट डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू इट. बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, we will just condition our minds for few seconds, and if you are here, I would request you to close your eyes. Just be aware of everything around you. Just listen to the tiniest thing that you can, the faintest sound, the faintest noise. If it's raining, listen to the rains. If a fan is on, listen to the fan. Slowly and slowly be more and more aware of your own self in that space, in that environment. Take few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and slowly open your eyes. Welcome to the Mandala Art session with Siddhant Shah, that's me. And before we start, I'm going to give you a teeny presentation for which I will have to switch off my camera and I will set the presentation mode on. So this is about our session where art meets mindfulness. Why are we doing this? How did we get into this whole space? This is what we will be discussing over here. The idea is to understand that art can be an expression also, and art can also be done to make sure that you express things mindfully. Whatever energies that you have, you can bring it into your space. The mandala art, which is a very typical and a very interesting form of art, which comes from Buddhism. You see some references of that in Hinduism, even in Jainism, through the rangolis and various different things, but is an imaginary ideation of a place, which could even be the Jagat, the Mandal, could even be, as we say, Vayu Mandal, right? Like even the space also. But it is the idea that it becomes a guiding principle for your meditation. This is a typical mandala art, very painstakingly done by Buddhist monks. They spend hours sitting on it, like doing these putting these tiny drops of colored powder to create this art. It takes hours for them to do it. It is a form of meditation. And as soon as it is done, the moment you do the last thing, the chief comes and wipes it out. इमेजिन आपने घंटों भर का काम किया हुआ है और वो कोई एक जन आके एक सेकेंड में उसे साफ कर देता है. The whole idea is to understand that how things are temporary in nature. If you have anxiety, yes, you have anxiety. Don't get into it so much that it becomes a thing that you can't get out of it. Understand the temperance of the nature. Understand how things can be temporary for some time, and then it will move on. Like that is the nature. Like change is the only constant. It will move on. And this is to teach that how can you bring in the idea of being stable, being mindful, doing things as comfortably as you want to do at your own pace. Remember, one thing that this lockdown has put everyone to do is that, I'm the best chef, I've been doing this. This is not a competition. Okay, you are in competition only with yourself. You have to prove yourself better than yesterday. And that is where one small way of getting back to that point, being more mindful of what we do, is through mandala art. And what we have done is, because it becomes too complex for us, we have simplified that by using only dots. We'll be using dots, we'll be using lines, and we'll be creating our mandala art, which is the art form which we will be focusing on through the dot art technique. So that's for the presentation. I will come back to my screen. And I'm here. So that is what the whole significance of mandala art is. कि क्यों वो किया जाता है, क्यों वो बनाया जाता है. So we are going to do one. I'm going to demonstrate one technique over here, which you can do it at home. Also, this is one technique that we urge parents to use if you feel your children have anxiety. It is not that mental health issues are only for adults. It is not that only we feel the change that is going around us. Children are one of the biggest points where we need to understand their anxiety level. The schedules have changed. They can't meet friends. They can't go out. क्यों बाहर नहीं जा सकते, मैं क्यों ये नहीं कर सकता. वो बहुत सारी चीजें जो आपको क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो आपको उनका आंसर देना पड़ेगा. Give the answer in the right way. Don't shun the questions. Take time, that is what, even while we work through Access for All, that is what we work in the space of inclusion and diversity, to understand that how certain questions need to be answered. And this is a very important session. If you are a parent, if you have a kid, trust me, try this technique at least 2 to 3 times with your kids and you will see the change. You will see the calm and composure in them. आप देखेंगे कि वो कितने शांत होने लगे. ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस पूछना बंद कर दिया या वो रोना बंद कर दिया. अगर उन्हें रोना आता है तो रोने दीजिए. Let the emotions come out, and if you want that to happen, let it channelize through the medium of art, because that is one beautiful medium to communicate, to connect with lots and lots of people. क्योंकि हम घर पे सब बैठे हुए, सबके पास बहुत ज्यादा मटेरियल्स नहीं है, तो हमने सोचा जो भी हमारे पास अवेलेबल होगा उसी से हम करेंगे. इसके लिए एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, अगर आपके पास सिर्फ एक पेन भी होगा तो भी आप कर सकते हो. अगर ढेर सारी स्केच पेन्स है, बहुत सारे कलर्स है, उससे भी आप कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास ये छोटी सी चीज है, ईयरबड, जो कान खुजाने के काम आता है, बट काफी सारी चीजों के लिए आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड वी कैन यूज इट फॉर क्रिएटिंग आवर आर्ट वर्क. सो डोंट थिंक दैट अगर मटेरियल नहीं है तो काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, अरे हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. ये ऐसा जरिया है कि किसी से भी आप कर सकते हो. करने की चाह होनी चाहिए, एंड यू शुड हैव द विल एंड विलिंगनेस टू डू इट. सो आई एम गोना स्टार्ट. What we will do is, this is one sheet of paper that I have. I have cut this paper in square. मैंने करके रखा है ताकि हमारा टाइम ज्यादा वेस्ट ना हो, तो हम अच्छे से उसे आगे कर सके. उसे काटने के बाद ये जो मेरे पास था, मैंने उसमें से स्क्वायर शेप काट लिया है. तो ये जो बचा हुआ है उसे हम साइड में रख देंगे. आप इससे कुछ दूसरी चीजें बना सकते हैं जो मैं लास्ट में आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या कर सकते हैं. और ये जो आपका एग्जिस्टिंग स्क्वायर है, उसके बीच में आप एक लाइन लाएंगे. You will form your point, you get the diagonals or you get the quadrant, and you create the point that you get, and then you take a compass. अगर आपके पास compass है, आपके बच्चे के पास वो compass है, तो वो compass से you can create these circles. And after that, I would suggest like do around 2 or 3 layers of these circles, and then we are good to go. क्योंकि मैं demonstrate कर रहा हूँ, I will change the angle of my system also so that you can see it. But to make sure that everybody can understand, and I will just prop it up over here so that you can see how this is done. Always start with the first point, which is the center point. आपका जो central point है आप उससे चालू कीजिए. And I'm going to start with my color, and I'm going to take my first color, that is orange, and I'm going to define the space. Define that point, कि कहाँ पे आप करने वाले हो और क्या करना चाहते हो. After that you start going around and round and round. Remember, this is dot art mandala. हम dots के अलावा अलग अलग शेप ट्राई करेंगे नहीं यूज करने की. अगर आपको डॉट के अलावा दूसरा कुछ खुद ट्राई करना है तो आप कर सकते हो, बट यहाँ पे आज हम सिर्फ डॉट के साथ ट्राई करेंगे. I'm going to make this dot slightly more bigger. Make sure that you make it equal. इसके लिए हमने वो 4 quadrants बनाए हुए हैं. And then I will take another form and I will open it. Just a minute. टेकन आप अलग अलग चीजें यूज कर सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे अभी पहले पेन से कर रहा हूँ ताकि मैं अलग अलग मीडियम्स आपको दिखा सकूं. माई आइडिया राइट नाउ इज टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट डिफरेंट वेज इन विच आप कर सकते हैं, नॉट दैट कि मैं एक ही मटेरियल को लेके कंप्लीट कैसे कर सकता हूँ. सो आई हैव दिस थिंग, सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस एंड डू इट विद दैट. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल डॉट्स अराउंड. Also remember, this session is about mindfulness. इसमें घाई करने की जरूरत नहीं, जल्दी 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 खत्म करो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. आपके बच्चे को आप खुद, ये कोई भी कर सकता है. This is for everyone and this can be done by anyone. It is not that only a particular person needs to do. अगर आप आर्ट थेरेपी कर रहे हो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको मानसिक बीमारी है. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना, बिकॉज बहुत लोग ये समझते हैं अरे नहीं, अगर थेरेपी कर रहे हैं तो अरे कुछ तो दिक्कत होगी, मानसिक दिक्कतें होंगी. वैसा नहीं है. प्लीज डू नॉट फील स्कैर्ड ऑफ रीचिंग आउट टू थेरेपिस्ट. और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, अगर आपको टेंशन है, प्रेशर है, फील फ्री टू रीच आउट टू पीपल. देयर जॉब इज टू हेल्प यू आउट. वो आपको दवाई देंगे तो आपके भले के लिए देंगे. अगर ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने थेरेपिस्ट यूज किया तो आप मानसिक रोगी हो. So please do not worry about those things. We'll go back to our thing. मैं बीच बीच में आके बात करता रहूंगा आपसे, and you will still be completing our own stuff over here as in how we talk. I will change the color. I will now again go back to my orange color and keep this here. Just allow me a minute. आप अलग अलग चीजों के साथ में भी इसे कर सकते हैं. मैं अलग अलग पेन्स यूज कर रहा हूं. मेरे पास ये मार्कर पेन है. आपके पास अगर बोर्ड पेन, मार्कर पेन ऐसा हो उससे भी आप कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि मेरे पतले वाले डॉट्स हो चुके हैं, अभी मैं मोटे वाले डॉट्स करने की ट्राई करूंगा. वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट प्ले अराउंड विद द डॉट्स. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका बच्चा पेन नहीं यूज करना चाहता है, आप क्रेयॉन से करवा सकते हो. यू कैन गेट दिस थिंग डन थ्रू वेरियस डिफरेंट मीडियम्स दैट यू प्रिफर. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट अगर ये कलर होगा तो ही कर सकोगे, अगर ये कलर होगा तो ही कर सकोगे. ऐसा नहीं है. आपके पास जो अवेलेबल है आप उससे ये कर सकते हैं. Now that I have established my thing, I can create any form that I want. मैंने मेरा एक बेस तैयार कर दिया है. अगर मुझे यहाँ पे दिखाना है तो मैं पहले इसको, ये पॉइंट्स को बड़ा कर दूंगा. And there are various ways of integrating this also. You can incorporate this into any other shape. There can be different types of mandalas that you can create. अगर आपके पास चीजें पड़ी आप उनसे भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट कट पेपर एंड गिव इट टू देम टू कलर इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स एंड साइज. Sometimes it is better to use few colors and do it because it just makes your work stand out very clearly. And while you change the color, you start getting distracted. तो आपका distraction भी उससे कम होता है. And if you are a teacher, if you can, if possible, do this with your students. This is even ideal for people who are working in corporate spaces. You know, you want to take a break, take a mental health break. That is one thing that very specifically a lot of people don't understand in our country, the importance of that. कि mental health के लिए क्यों break लेना है? But it is a very important thing that we all must consider. So as in how I'm talking, I will be even showing you all what can be done. So आप जितना इसको complete करते जाएंगे उतना 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 वो आते रहेगा. अगर I'm repeating, if you have any questions, feel free to put it up in the discussion box. As of now, I don't see any questions, but अगर है किसी को कुछ पूछना है colors के related, you want to ask about the techniques, you want to ask about what mediums to use, please feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to answer them, and I'll just send out a high note to everyone. Thank you so much, Niniva. Hi all. Siddhansh Chayo. And we keep on doing this. हमने ये पहले भी मोजाटो के साथ में किया हुआ है. हम ऐसे खुद भी हमारा उसमें करते रहते. Do follow us on our social media. You can follow us on various different pages. I'll just put my website also for you to understand and see what all we do. The reason we got into this space is because we have worked primarily in the space of understanding inclusion and diversity, and mental health is a very important segment in that. So I can, yes, is the one. So the idea is that it is not that कौन सा authentic है या कौन सा right है. The idea is about, do you use dots or lines? It could be anything. Like say now, right now, if you want to see other shapes that I can use, I will start bringing in lines over here. So what I will do is, I generally like this combination of black and yellow because of बहुत strong impact करते हैं. Also remember, colors have that huge impact on your mind. Color therapy is again a separate spectrum altogether, but colors play a very important. This is a small tip. The day you feel that अरे आज मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मैं आपको ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि आपको ब्राइट कलर्स यूज करना चाहिए या डल कलर्स, बिकॉज दैट इज वन मिसकंसेप्शन एंड दैट इज वन मिथ दैट अरे अगर आपका मूड नहीं अच्छा है तो आप येलो कलर पहन लो. वो गलत है. ईच कलर, एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ इंटरैक्टिंग विद कलर. I'll just give you one small example. I was working in a blind school and there I was trying to force a kid to understand that नहीं ये blue color है और blue color बहुत शांत color होता है, blue color बहुत अच्छा color होता है. And then he's like नहीं 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 नीला रंग हमें नहीं पसंद, नीला रंग मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता. And I wanted to ask him like why he didn't like that color, what was the issue with the color. And he told me that, and he is born blind. So he's like, whenever he would be asked to wear a blue color thing, like his mother would say neeli jeans pen lo, and for him the association of color was with that texture. So for him, blue was a very rough color. Blue was not a smooth color, and blue was not a comfortable color for him. So remember that each and every color, if your kid is really anxious but still picks up red, that is okay. That is fine because that is the color he, she, or they associate with. Let everyone be individual. This is one place, art therapy or art, anything around color is one place where one size doesn't fit all. You cannot say कि अगर ये येलो इसके लिए बराबर है तो वो आपके लिए भी सही है. So that way you have to realize and you have to accept that for this person black is a color where that person finds solace. Let it be. Do not try and force that person that नहीं ये करो यही color use करना चाहिए. Do not force that. That is not the right way of going ahead. So I'm going to show with different shapes also, as some of you all have asked. Allow me a second to create that. I can keep this here. So what I will do is I will use the lines and I will keep the shapes here. Again, symmetry is extremely important. That is one norm that you have to follow in this. That symmetrical things only. Don't go into asymmetrical thing because that is where the balance goes off. Color symmetry, yes. So now अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ये किया, I will on the opposite side, I will keep it here so that you can see it clearly. I will do the same thing here, but just switch the colors. यहाँ पे ब्लैक था, मैं ये कर दूंगा यहाँ पे. पर ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको खाली घर पे बैठे हो तो आपको इससे ही करना है. यू कैन do this with various different things. You can continue doing this digitally also. There are different softwares. If you use Procreate or any other software, if you use it on your tab, PowerPoint and various different things. I have a friend who's an architect and he actually uses AutoCAD to create mandala art because he is an architect. पूरा दिन वो AutoCAD में बहुत सारे use करते हैं. There are certain commands that you give and he creates some fantastic digital mandala art. Again, so there are ways in which you can express yourself. I have a friend, when she cuts vegetable, अगर वो भिंडी काट रही है तो भिंडी को काट के the first thing that she'll do is put up on social media. She'll create a mandala around that using all these different भिंडी. अगर भिंडी काटी है, उन्होंने टमाटर काटे तो रख के प्लेस करके on her क्या कहते हैं, जैसे हम गुजराती में तो पाटली वेलन बोलते हैं, तो पाटला होता है उसके ऊपर वो रख के वो पिक्चर क्लिक करके डालेंगे. Feel free to express in your way. Do not stop by things that नहीं ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So I'll just show you with shape how shape can be incorporated. You can stick things also. अगर बच्चों को इससे नहीं करना है, if you also, not only kids, if you don't want to use that, feel free to do in any other media. You can stick things also. So again, let's go back to the discussion.
सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, सिद्धांत थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट गड़बड़ हो रहा है आपका. फिर से लग रहा है तेज बरसात आ रही है बॉम्बे में. अभी थोड़ा बेटर हो गया.
Am I audible? Yes, am I audible now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So the question is, okay, that has been coming. Please tell the mediums and colors to be used. As I said, colors and mediums, it is completely agnostic of colors and medium. Payal, just keep on telling me if I go. Sorry, Meenakshi, just let me know if I go off. Yeah. Doodling and Zentangle, yes. इसके पहले भी हम ऑन आर्ट फेयर, मतलब इस पे भी एक वर्कशॉप हुई थी या शायद. इज इट डन और इट विल हैपन, राइट पायल? मीनाक्षी, सॉरी.
इट्स ओके, दोनों नाम यूज कर सकते हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. बताएं क्या कह रहे थे आप? आपकी आवाज इतनी कट रही है.
मैं कह रहा था जो ज़ेंटैंगल वर्कशॉप जो होने वाला था वो हो चुका है.
नहीं, अभी हुआ नहीं है और होना है.
So you all can even look it up. So since people are asking about Zentangle, there is one more workshop that is going to happen here, and so you can do that. What apps would you recommend for digital art mandala? See, there are certain apps जिसपे आप download करके कर सकते हो, but otherwise I would suggest that you can do it on Photoshop. You can do it even on PowerPoint. The basic Paint app is fine. If you're using a tab, if you're using iPad, then Procreate is one. So you can use all those things because you get these perfect circles and things in place, and it really helps you. One very important thing that you need to realize about mandala art is the idea of instant gratification. That is what takes over here. Once you fill in things in symmetry, you are instantly gratified of something completed. It loses those chemical bursts. Detail में नहीं जानता. That is the feeling that we
आवाज जा रही है वापस से सिद्धांत. जनरली हमारे इन सेशंस में ऐसा होता है कि वीडियो नहीं आता तो भी ऑडियो आता है. आई थिंक इंटरनेट की हालत वहाँ काफी खराब है, तो हम लोग सिद्धांत अब फ्रीज भी हो गए हैं, आवाज भी आनी बंद हो गई है. अब बेटर हो गया. सिद्धांत कंटिन्यू.
Am I fine? Can you?
Yeah, we can see you and we can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So as I was saying that, of course, digital mediums are perfect. The whole idea is about instant gratification. आप जब भी ये कंप्लीट करते हो, आपके दिमाग में वो केमिकल बर्स्ट होता है, जो केमिकल से आप यू फील कंफर्टेबल अबाउट थिंग्स. So that way you understand different elements and things. I will again come back to my board and I will try and complete this part. Also, as we were saying that you can use things that are available at home. You can even play with color also. You can create a gradial effect if you would like. You can create an effect of things that are complete. You can even do different things like if there are elements that need to change, if you would like to bring in different elements, you can do that. Like अगर इसके साथ में मुझे कुछ चिपका के करना है, like if you have say 4 pieces of things like this, you can bring them and place it over here on the 4 sides. So feel free to play with different materials, feel free to play with different objects that you have. I'm just taking this one and doing tiny dots over here. ट्राई टू कंप्लीट वन साइड, और अगर आप इनकम्प्लीट छोड़ते हो तो प्लीज ऐसा इनकम्प्लीट छोड़िए कि वो लगे कि आपने कंप्लीट किया हुआ है. ऐसा बीच से खाली उसको कलर करके छोड़ मत दीजिए, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू सिट टू डू रीवर्क योर मंडला आर्ट, यू डू नॉट हैव द सेम एनर्जी दैट यू आर सिटिंग टू डू राइट नाउ. अगर आप जब भी चालू करते हो उसे छोड़ दिया कीजिए. दैट इज वन टिप दैट आई वुड गिव. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कंप्लेन दैट व्हेन आई मेक इट I don't have the chance of redoing it. मतलब मेरे पास वो चांस नहीं होता है कि मैं वापस से उसको करूंगा, वही सेम मजा नहीं आता है. वो नहीं आएगा अगर आप उसको बीच से छोड़ के जाएंगे, बिकॉज यू हैव certain form of energy which is being channelized right now in this point in time. I'm just going to complete one part of it. As I said, various different mediums are fine. आप अगर बच्चे छोटे हैं, you can get them to do with their thumbs also. You can create the guiding circles and you can apply color on their tips. कलर अगर नहीं है, अगर आपको घर से ही कलर चाहिए, you can use beetroot, you can use हल्दी, और उससे पूरा मतलब पर्पल और उसका करके. There are ways if you want to engage into it. There are multiple ways of doing it. You do not have to be worried that ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. बट एज आई सेड, वो करने की चाह होनी चाहिए कि नहीं हमें कुछ बनाना है, एंड देन यू विल श्योरली बी एबल टू डू इट. What I am going to do is I am going to complete this element here and see if there have any new questions that have come up. I hope, Meenakshi, I am audible and people can hear and see. Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
Perfect. So if you want to incorporate more shapes, I will start bringing in more shapes. You can start. Balance is extremely important. Symmetry, again, very important. Diagonal symmetry is fine. If you want to have side-by-side symmetry, opposite symmetry, perfectly fine, but make sure that it is symmetrical. Okay. Let's see what is the question that's come.
How to come up with the new ideas and patterns.
Okay. So there are two questions that are. Okay. So Zentangle art is more about, if you, I don't know if you can see clearly, but there is something behind me in black and white. Not that clear. I'm sorry. But Zentangle art, आप अगर वो workshop attend करेंगे आपको ज़्यादा मालूम पड़ेगा. The idea of Zentangle is to let yourself free without boundaries. In mandala, you are bound by certain guiding principles. So it is again mindfulness in both ways. There you just let it flow. You just through lines and all, up करते जाओ, बनाते जाओ, करते जाओ, बनाते जाओ, and you come up with that entire work of art. You are very much focused on filling up entire space. Also that is way more amorphic because आपको एक fixed form नहीं है उसके अंदर, और उसके साथ में आप करते हो. And in mandala, you have a fixed thing to complete that. So thank you. I hope, Nancy, I was able to give you some clarity on that. Why are you emphasizing so much on symmetry and balance? What is the purpose? The whole purpose, I feel, is about the balance, right? The idea of you're doing this, again, as I said in the beginning, that when you feel unstable, when you don't feel what you wanted to do, if it's happening or not, when you look at symmetry, when you look at objects that showcase symmetry, it has an impact on your subconscious mind, and it releases certain, again, I would do not want to go into that whole thing, what happens in your mind, but as I tell kids or I tell children also, that there is this chemical burst in your mind and you start feeling composed, you start feeling more grounded. If you feel at night this is not happening, your anxiety levels increase. And this we've seen with children with learning disorders or the other form, like when we have groups of people or like even individuals who come in and say that I'm very anxious, and we give them different objects to look at, look at things that are symmetrical, you start feeling more calm and composed. So that is one of the reason why I always keep on focusing on the idea of balance and symmetry. Symmetry is really, really important because, again, for two reasons, where when you focus on the element of symmetry and when you start forming that balance thing, it allows you to again come back to the idea of instant gratification. Pursued art therapy as a career. Do we have any studies to pursue in India? So the thing is, when I studied in Greece, and as part of my studies, I had taken up this as one of my electives, and then I did 2 certification courses again in Greece on understanding mandala art and more focusing on the art therapy program. And particularly my thesis, my research was to understand how traditional Indian art forms can be used in the art therapy practice. So that is what is majorly used in all the schools that we work across the country with corporates that we do. We try to incorporate that element in the space.
We should call you Dr. Siddhant now.
See that if you do that, then people won't attend. That is one of the sad things in a country. People have a stigma associated with that. कि डॉक्टर के पास गए तो मतलब नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, केमिकल लोचा है दिमाग में, बट वो नहीं है. People are so scared to even approach. That is why when we work in schools, and that is like if anyone over here who's a teacher or some who comes from the field of education, you would realize as soon as you tell parents that we are going to have an art therapy class, parents freak out. What's wrong with our children? They do not understand that there's nothing wrong with their children. And one more question that always keeps on coming is that, but हमारे बच्चे तो art class जाते हैं. Our kids go to art classes. Why should they do art therapy? And one reason and one thing that is one simple way of my explanation. That is how I tell them that if you your body is the car,
I think we lost Siddhant. Yeah,
control.
Siddhant is that.
Therapy is the oiling.
Absolutely, absolutely. जैसे हर दरवाजे को ऑयल की जरूरत होती है ताकि आवाज ना करे हम सबको भी थेरेपी की जरूरत है कि जो हमारे दिमाग की आवाजें हैं उसको हम कंट्रोल करें.
Yes. Exactly. And what I am going to do is, as I said, since we have last 5 minutes here now, so this is one of completed art mandala pieces that we have. This was actually done during Mojato's first art therapy that we did, workshop that we did. And as remember, आपको याद होगा तो मैंने बताया था कि एक खाली piece भी आप रख सकते हो until you can get into it. And if possible, you can start making these different bookmarks. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but you can create various different things out of this.
You know, guys, what we can do is, because Siddhant has a booth as well. Access for All is the name of the booth. You can go, and I'm sure they have uploaded a lot of catalogs also. And all those you want to talk about, the artwork which are uploaded are done by who, and who are the kids and the people who are behind those artworks?
Yeah, definitely do come there. And if you have any more questions, we are towards the last 5 minutes. I'm going to complete this bit. I'm going to complete. अधूरा नहीं छोड़ना है, जितना चालू किया जितना to complete. I'm just going to complete this and then take the last round of questions, or if you have any other comments or feedback, please do let us know in the discussion box here. And again, I would still prefer using 2 colors only, not more than 2 colors, it just gives you less opportunity to distract your mind. I'm going to take another color also, and even after this, like, feel free to, like, you can get in touch with us through various different mediums. My website I have put up in the chat. We are here. We have a gallery space here, and where we'll be showcasing artworks of children with varying abilities. And one very, very, very important thing. This was something that came in the time where we were studying. One very important thing is that, please, am I audible? Actually,
बीच बीच में सिद्धांत कट रही है, तो आप फ्रीज हो गए हैं अब।
am I audible?
थोड़ा इंटरनेट का इशू है आज सिद्धांत के यहाँ पे। आप थोड़ा सा दिखने लगे हैं आप। हाँ,
Am I
आवाज आ
audible?
रही है
Hello.
सिद्धांत। यस,
Audible?
यस,
Can you hear me? Am
यस।
I
फिर चली गई,
okay?
आ गई।
Sorry, this is weather not in my hand. It's been raining really bad in Bombay. So as I was saying, Meenakshi, am I audible? I don't
यस, यस,
understand if I'm audible or not.
यू आर ऑडिबल।
Okay, okay, perfect. So as I was saying, one thing that is very, very, very important for everyone to know is that please do not focus on a good-looking artwork. Okay, please do. I'm just going to put this down over here in the discussion box. Please do not focus on good-looking dot art mandala. That is one thing that is very important. If you can't hear me, you can read my message here. That please do not focus on a good-looking mandala art. It has to be something that you find that you can connect with it. There's got nothing to do with how it looks. अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, कैसा लगेगा, दूसरे को कैसा लगेगा. आप You are not making this to show somebody else. Remember, the idea is to be as temporary as possible. And that is what I'm putting in over here also, that please do not focus on good looking artworks, like, and we will sum the session here.
ओके,
Does this okay, as I said, this is not meant for the buyers. Okay, this is done for yourself. ये आपके लिए किया जाता है. Of course, there are people who create this huge, very beautiful artworks, and people buy them for different purposes. But again, this therapy is done for yourself. It is not done for anybody else. It is not the primary reason of this thing is not to make and sell it outside. If people buy it, that is great. If people are selling it, that is great. But the primary reason of this therapy is not sale. It is focused on that. And one, I don't know if I'm over. I'm just going to thank you for everyone for your questions. If you need to get in touch, I'll put in my details here. And my Insta and Facebook handle is
okay. So we can't hear Siddhant very much, but he's going to put his details and in the discuss box, which I think he's typing right now. And you can also visit his booth. His booth's name is Access for All. You can all go and chit chat with him. There's some lovely works done by kids, which you can see, and people who are specially abled. I don't know if he can hear me or not, but thank you so much, Siddhant, for giving us this amazing session. I'm going to definitely do this and try, my hands on to the mandala art.
Am I audible? Hi, am I audible? Hi, am I audible, Meenakshi? Are you there? Thank you so much, guys. I think I've lost Meenakshi here. My network has been really choppy. I've left my contact details here, and if you are there, like if you would like to get in touch, please do so. Siddhant Shah, my email ID is shahsiddhant12, and all other details, elements, if you would like to share with us, do let us know your thoughts and comments on various different portals that we have. We're more than happy to listen to you all. I Meenakshi, are you there? I need and do visit us. Do let us know, and I have dropped in all content here. Like, okay, she has left. Okay, okay. I guess I'm here for a minute if anybody needs to ask a question, and then when I will be bouncing off. And do let us know your comments, feedbacks on Reach Access for All at gmail.com. Thank you so much, Purnima. Thank you so much, Arjun, Nancy, Uma, for attending. Brilliant. Thank you so much for giving us your time and being part of this session. So, I guess I'm just gonna have to call her and ask her. If you allow me a minute, I'm just gonna